Hey guys, welcome to AutoCraze once again. I'm Mo. We've got this beautiful Rugged X. We're going to be doing the 2-inch AutoCraze Lift Kit. We're going to be introducing our new black truck. It's going to be wrapped up with the AutoCraze red spring to match up the beautiful recovery points. Now we're going to be introducing a new wheel and also a new tyre. Now the new wheel, the Addict 2, is going to be matte black, 18s, and the Rugged X is going to get wrapped up to rugged terrain tyres with our partners Toyo Tyres. Stay tuned guys and check out the Rugged X out.